Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error connection timed out on the YouTube application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the YouTube application to watch any video, but while the video is loading up, you see an error telling you that the connection has timed out, then there are a few ways that you can go about on fixing this issue. The first step is to tap on the Recents button and then close the YouTube application and then open it back up and see if this fixes your issue. If this doesn't work, then the next step is to check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection and try opening up other applications that use the internet. And if these applications are working just fine, then your internet is not to blame. So the third step is to see if your application is updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then search for the YouTube app. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Tap on the update button and wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button once again, you can tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. Now if this still doesn't fix your issue, then long press on the YouTube application and then tap on the info button. Now from the application info page, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application. After this, scroll down and tap on storage, and from the storage menu tap on clear cache first to clear the application cache and see if this fixes your issue. If this still doesn't work, tap on clear data as well and then tap on the delete button to delete all of your user data for YouTube. After this step is done, you'll need to log in once again to your YouTube account. But now the error for connection timed out will be fixed. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the error for connection timeout on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.